Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing right onto my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Well, we all want to sit there and save some money, especially with the food prices all going up. And also, I want to sit there and show you, besides saving the money, I want to sit there and show you how easy it is to really make magic shell. So grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because we have some magic shell to make, because I have it in my mind to treat my family, and I have some of these waffle sugar ice cream cones to use up, and I went out and I got some nice ice cream because it was my husband's birthday and he loves drumsticks, but in order for me to make them, I have to make some magic shell. And I figured if I was gonna make the magic shells so I could make the drumsticks for my husband, I might as well set the camera up and bring you all along and show you how I make the magic shell. I have my measuring dishes out, and I also have my measuring bowl that we're going to be dumping everything all into. So, we're going to put our crushed nuts off to the side, along with our sugar cones. And now you're gonna need 1 1/8 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 1/8 cup of the dark chocolate chips. 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips and the 1/8 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now I'm going to do the same with the dark chocolate. And let's add the other chocolate. Now you're going to want to sit there and get out your coconut oil, and we're going to add that. Now, that's going to be a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Let's add that 1/2 cup of the coconut oil. Plus the 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of agave. So I'm just gonna, now off to the microwave. That goes for 30 seconds. Now, if yours didn't melt all the way like mine didn't, I mean, right there, the proof is, I'm going to sit there and put it back inside the microwave for another 15 seconds. And then I'm going to give it another good stir. And then everything should be nice and creamy and smooth. Okay, just came right out of the microwave. Grab our spoon. Let's give it all another good mix. And just keep mixing until all the chocolate has melted and you have a real nice creamy sauce. Now, I just want to sit there and show you that it is melting. I'm just getting the very last little bit of chocolate chips melted, and your sauce should be as creamy as this. Now let this cool down because you don't want to sit there and use this hot on the ice cream. And there we go. That's how easy it was to make this magic shell. Now, it's always going to be in a liquid form until you put it on something cold. Never, never, never put this in the refrigerator because it's going to harden right up. Now, also, every time before you use it, be sure to stir it extremely well. That way you get everything all mixed up, just in case things do separate. And there's so many things that you can use that on, just besides using it over the top of ice cream. And I'm gonna sit there and show you one of them ways in the next video. So now, if you liked what you saw here today in how to make your very own magic shell, give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share. And most of all, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?